We came to Fushimi Inari early in the morning before the crowds. You enter through the massive Torii gate and almost immediately it feels quieter. Trees surround the path, with small shrines tucked into the forest along the way. Even the ground feels intentional. As you walk higher, there are steps, glimpses of architecture, and fox statues watching over the grounds. The foxes are here because they're messengers of Inari, the deity the shrine is dedicated to. Eventually, they reach the part everyone recognizes. Rows and rows of Torii gates lining a long, winding path through the mountain. Walking through it feels repetitive in the best way. Quiet, rhythmic, and completely focused. Fushimi Inari is less about one moment and more about the walk itself. Join us in future travels by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.